So here we are going to start with exercise 11.1, question number 1. And the chapter is perimeter and area for standard 7. First question, the length and the breadth of a rectangle piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. मतलब length है इसका 500 meter and the breadth is 300 meter. So what is the area? First question, we have to find out the area. So what is the formula to find the area of the rectangle? In my previous video, we have discussed about the area of the rectangle formula, and it is length multiplied by breadth. So the length given is 500 meter, breadth is 300 meter, and the result is 5 3s are 15, and count the number of zeros, 1 2 3 4, and we have meter square. So this is the area of the rectangle. First part is completed. Now the second part, the cost of the land, we have to find the cost of the land. If 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000, मतलब we are given with the cost of 1 meter square and we have to find out the cost for 1,50,000 meter square. So if we are given for 1 and we have to find for more, we multiply. So write down cost of 1 meter square land is equal to rupees 10,000. So cost of 1,50,000 meter square land is equal to rupees 10,000 multiplied by 150000, and we get the value as 15 multiplied by 115, and count the number of zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the result is this. To make it little easier, I will just put the commas according to Indian number system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and we get this. But the final statement will be important. The cost of the land is this. Let us go to the next question. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is given. Now, to find the area, we need to know the side of the square, and that is not given. So, if perimeter is known, can we find out the side? Let us try out. So, perimeter is given as 320 meter. What is the formula to find the perimeter? If you see the previous, if you just remember and you have gone through the previous video, you know that it is 4 times side. So it is given as 320. So what will be the value of side? 320 divided by 4. So 80 meter is the side. Now we are known with the side of the square. So can we find the area of the square? Yes, we can. So area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. If we know one side is 80 meter, so 80 meter multiplied by 80 meter, and we get the value as 6,400 meters square. Question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is given and the length is given. So first we will find out the breadth. Area मालूम है, तो area of rectangle is 440 meter square, and we know to find the area we multiply L and B. So L into B is 440. B की वैल्यू निकालनी है, लेंथ की वैल्यू मालूम है. So let us put it as B is equal to 440. So what will be the value of B? 440 divide by 22. 22 को मैंने जब ट्रांसपोज किया from LHS to RHS, multiplication becomes division and we get 20 meter. So now we know the value of the breadth. Therefore, breadth is equal to 20 meter. Length already मालूम है. So can we find the perimeter? Yes. Also find its perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. 2 multiply length 22 meter, breadth 20 meter. If I add, I get 42 meter. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter will be 84 meter. Next question, question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is known, find its breadth. So, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 100 centimeter. क्या formula होता है? 2 multiply L plus B. So, this is 100. If I transpose this multiplication to the other side, we get L plus B is equal to 100 divide by 2. L की value 35 meter. So 35 meter plus breadth is equal to 100 divided by 2 is 50. So can we find out B? Yes, 50. This is centimeter. So let me make it centimeter. So 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter. What is the value of B? B is 15 centimeter. Now, also find the area. Length तो हमें क्वेश्चन में ही मालूम था, breadth हमने निकाल लिया है. So let us find the area of the rectangle. L multiply by B. Length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. So if I multiply, I get 525 centimeter square. Question number 5. The area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. मतलब एक स्क्वायर पार्क है, एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है और दोनों का एरिया सेम है. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. अभी 60 मीटर जो साइड है उससे मुझे एरिया तो मिल जाएगा, लेकिन सिर्फ लेंथ मालूम हो रेक्टेंगल की तो मुझे उससे एरिया नहीं मालूम चलेगा. So let us find out the area of the square park first. Area of square park. It is side multiply by side. So what I get? 60 meter multiply by 60 meter and that is equal to 3600 meter square. और यही एरिया है रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क की. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू 3600 क्योंकि यहाँ फर्स्ट ही स्टेटमेंट है कि एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड द रेक्टेंगल आर सेम, तो यही है. अब मुझे ये मालूम है कि लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेड्थ होता है. सो इफ दिस इज नोन एंड ब्रेड्थ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, कैन वी डू दैट? यस, लेंथ की जगह वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं. लेंथ इज गिवन एज 90 मीटर, ब्रेड्थ नहीं पता है, एरिया मालूम है. सो B is equal to 3600 divide by 90 meter and B becomes 9 4s are 36, 80 cancel, 80 बच जाएगा meter. So we know the breadth as 40 meter. Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and the breadth is 22 centimeter. अब ये जानना है कि वायर का शेप दिया गया रेक्टेंगल का. सो इज इट, कैन इट बी गिवन ओनली द बाउंड्री और इज इट completely filled? So if it is given the shape, that means it is just the boundary of the rectangle. So boundary में क्या हमें पता चलता है कि उसकी perimeter क्या है. So length, breadth are given and we can find out the perimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, मतलब इसी पेरीमीटर से अब मुझे देखना है कि इसका पेरीमीटर सेम है, तो what will be the measure of each side? So first let us find out perimeter of the rectangle. And it is 2 multiplied by L plus B. 2 multiply length is given as 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. दोनों मिला के हो गया 2 multiply 62 centimeter, that is 124 centimeter. Now we know the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of square is also known. What is the formula to find the perimeter of a square? It is side multiplied by side. 4 times side. हमें perimeter ही चाहिए, तो 4 times side is perimeter of a square and that is equal to 124 centimeter. तो side कैसे निकालेंगे? Side will be 124 divide by 4 centimeter and that is equal to 31 centimeter. Second part of the question is also find which shape encloses more area. तो अब area of a rectangle के लिए मुझे length और breadth चाहिए, वो भी पता है. area of the square के लिए मुझे side चाहिए, वो भी मालूम है. तो we just have to find out both the areas and we will compare them. So let us find out the area. Area of a rectangle. L multiply B and that is equal to 40 centimeter multiply 22 centimeter and that is equal to 880 centimeter square. Now area of square. Side multiply by side. So this is, side is 31 centimeter, 31 centimeter multiply 31 centimeter and that is equal to 961 centimeter square. Now comparing these two, what we get? We get that area of the square is more than the area of the rectangle. So area of square is greater than the area of the rectangle. So the question asks, also find which shape encloses more area. So which shape we found is enclosing more area? Certainly the square. उसकी area ज़्यादा है. So square encloses more area. Done? Next question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. तो perimeter मालूम है, breadth मालूम है. Can we find the length? Yes, we can. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter. Formula क्या है perimeter की? 2 multiply L plus B, that is equal to 130. तो L प्लस बी, ट्वाइस L प्लस बी इज 130, तो L प्लस बी क्या हो जाएगी 65, 130 डिवाइड बाई 2, सो दिस इज L प्लस बी। L की वैल्यू क्या है नहीं पता, बट B की मालूम है, B इज 30, so 65. So now can you find out the length? Yes, 65 minus 30 and that is 35 centimeter. Length तो हो गई. Now also find the area of the rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. Length is 35 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter. So multiplying these two, we get 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 1050 centimeter square. Next question, question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Length of the wall is 4.5 meter and its breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of white washing. अब white washing कहाँ होती है, बाउंड्री पे होती है या पूरे सरफेस पे होती है? तो white washing तो पूरे सरफेस पे होती है, इसका मतलब हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा, हमें एरिया जानना है। अब white washing होगी तो डोर पे नहीं होगी और सिर्फ वॉल पे होगी, तो हमें क्या करना है, वॉल में से एरिया ऑफ द डोर को निकाल लेना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है और उस दैट विल गिव अस द एरिया टू बी व्हाइट वॉश्ड, एंड देन ओनली if we know the area of the wall to be whitewashed, we will find out its cost. तो क्या करना है हमें पता चल चुका है. Now let us see. फिगर बनाने से थोड़ा क्लैरिटी हो जाता है कि एक्चुअल में हमें करना क्या है. सपोज दिस इज माय वॉल एंड वॉल का लेंथ है 4.5. सपोज दिस इज माय 4.5 मीटर and the breadth is 3.6 meter. ये देखने से लग रहा है स्क्वायर जैसा, but in the question it is given two different measurements, so it is a rectangle. Now door की length और breadth भी दी हुई है. Suppose I have a door 2 meter and 1 meter. तो अब हमें क्या करना है, we have to find out this area. door का एरिया छोड़ के हमें इसका एरिया निकाल लेना है. So if I find out area of wall, what is the area of the wall? 4.5 meter. L into B होता है. So 4.5 meter multiply by 3.6 meter. So what will be the area of the wall? Multiply करके देखते हैं. 45 multiply by 36. This is my rough margin. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 4s are 24 and 3 27. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 4s are 12 and 1 13. So I get 1620. अब डेसिमल पार्ट कितना है 1 2, तो 2 के पहले मैं लगा दूंगी डेसिमल. सो 16.2 मीटर स्क्वायर इज द एरिया ऑफ द वॉल. डेसिमल पार्ट में लास्ट में 0 हो तो हम उसको नहीं कंसिडर करते हैं. एरिया ऑफ द डोर, यहां तो व्हाइट वॉश नहीं होगी ना, तो मैं उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वाली हूँ. So I have to find the area of the door, and it is again L into B. Rectangle का shape है, so 2 meter multiply 1 meter and that is 2 meter square. तो अब area to be whitewashed. तो area to be whitewashed is area of wall minus area of door. So 16.2 minus 2. कितना हमें करना है व्हाइट वॉशिंग? 14.2 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ व्हाइट वॉशिंग द वॉल इफ द रेट ऑफ व्हाइट वॉशिंग द वॉल इज ₹20 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. मतलब 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का रेट है ₹20. तो 14.2 मीटर स्क्वायर का रेट क्या होगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ whitewashing 1 meter square is ₹20. तो cost of whitewashing 14.2 मीटर स्क्वायर इज, एक का मालूम हो और ज्यादा का निकालना है तो मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगी. सो व्हाट आई गेट, जस्ट इसको डबल करो. सो 284 और एक 0, तो 0 में नहीं लिखूंगी. सो इट इज 142 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 20. क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? 2840. मुझे एक के पहले डेसिमल लगाना है, सो आई पुट हियर, सो आई गेट 284. So here we have completed first exercise 11.1 of the chapter perimeter and area.